Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to make these lovely earrings with the daisy flowers. That's it. These like violet version. You can use any other floral beads for this project, and maybe roses or lily of the valley, bluebells. So let's see at the materials. Let's have a look at the materials. What we have today, we making daisies. So I have a little acrylic daisies, and I have beads for the middle, yellow rondelles, and also matching color size 11 yellow beads. 4mm bicones. You will put this in the middle of the flowers, between the flowers. So I'm finding bigger size pearls, size 10 and size 8 seed beads. And you don't need very long thread for this project, but I think for one earring you will need something about 40 centimeters long thread. And for the beginning, we pick up 3 size 8 seed beads, and we go into our first bead and make a loop, like these beads sit in this triangle shape. And we go again through all of them. And when our threads are meeting, we just tie the knots. Usually 3 knots I do. Just make sure everything is strong. I suggest you to leave a little tail for now, because it will be more comfortable to hold as we working on this design, because it's tiny beads, and you just need to make sure that you can hold actually all in your hand. So, and first we pick up 1 size 10 flower, yellow middle bead and seed bead. That will be our daisy. That's what we have. And now we're skipping a little size 11 yellow bead, and we go back through 4mm crystal flower bead and seed bead, and we go to the next size 8 bead, and we pull our thread, position everything. And at this point, you see, you need to really hold it so it is not dancing around. And we pick up size 10 green crystal, size 10 seed bead, and we sew the same bead from opposite direction. So this beads basically sitting around the size 8. That's it. Keep holding your thread. And again, we're making a flower. 1 seed bead, size 10, flower bead, middle bead, seed bead. Moving it down, skipping seed bead, go into yellow crystal, flower, and size 10 seed bead. And to the next size 8. Make sure you pull this tight. That's what we have. And now green decoration again. 1 seed, 1 green, 1 seed. Same bead from opposite direction. Pull our thread and making flower again. Keeping yellow seed bead, go back into yellow crystal flower, seed bead and straight to the next size 8 seed bead. Yeah, here we're adding last green decoration with a crystal. It is not so comfortable to hold it. It keeps dancing in my hand, to be honest. Yeah, let's put this on the table. Yes, same bead from opposite direction, and that's it. And now we need to pull our threads tight and basically finish off our thread. Make sure everything is properly sitting and just catch some thread between beads, make a loop and finish this off. Just like that. And again. Let's snip all these threads off now. Our floral bead for earrings is done. So now we take a pin and our bigger size pearl. You can use anything else, crystal or any other shaped bead maybe. And now straight through the middle of our floral design, I will add a little green crystal on top to decorate. And I think a little seed bead. That's what I like. Now all we need to do is just to make a loop for our earring. Today I will use my one-step looper. It's always helpful. Just when you do this operation, don't do too close to beads, otherwise beads can be cracked. Yeah. Just straighten the pin. Shape it a bit. Attach your wire. Make sure your pin closed properly. And that's our earring done. Now I need to make a second one. Yeah, looks good. And I made a second one. That's how it looks like. And this is our romantic daisies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Cheerio.